Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your curbside video for the week of January the 26th, right till February the 1st. And you are ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. So in the app, you're going to be looking for these products, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the red check, and that's how the magic is made. Now, alternatively, if you are not about online deals and you want to go in store with register rewards and looking around, watch yesterday's video. I will let you guys know with the 4 off of 2 Colgate and the 6 off of 2 Dove, it was attaching on Sunday morning first thing, and then the coupons got changed or revoked by 11 o'clock. Something weird happened. So if you are going to be doing those deals, obviously scan every item, put them in a digital cart just to see how they'll shake out if you're going to do them with the register rewards in store. But it was working and then it wasn't. It was just a hot mess. I think I did touch on that. And with the Dove coupon specifically, that 6 off of 2, I've had to call customer service, I think, 3 times in the last month about it not working or working. So just be very mindful of that. You could do me a huge kindness, guys, and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up. I would be so grateful if you could like the video. You would make my Monday. This first basket is called Couponer's Delight. It's everything that we love and then so much more. So in this basket, we're going to throw in one of these Dawn power washes. On a non-sales week, it's upwards of $6 at most stores. Very expensive now. Also going to throw in this 2 count of the Mr. Clean Magic Erasers, always a staple in every house. And then we're going to throw in one of these Febreze small spaces. These are always like magic in a little container for your bathrooms. Do love them. And then we're going to throw in a Cascade Platinum Plus. That's the one that you need for $5.49. And one of these finished tabs for $4.99. So that's a lot of like home goods stuff that we love as couponers. You're going to load the following digitals: the 2 off of the power wash, the 2 off of the finish, $2.50 off of Cascade, 2 off of Mr. Clean, and $2.30 off of the small spaces. So this gorgeous chorus line of coupons. Now, just to show you how everything is coming off, it's coming off pretty spectacularly. And then if you use the code WAG10, an extra $1.13 off. So doing this in-store to curbside, that's how you're going to get the extra savings, just to bundle it up together. And then just to show you, it's $22.05, $1.13 with WAG10, free curbside pickup, $10.79 melting off. So the total here is $11.39. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $1.39 and call this a very smart basket of cleaning magic. Okay, deal number 2. This one we're going to look at is specifically a lot of beauty stuff. 2 of these L'Oreal Paris lipsticks on a buy one, get one 50% off is $14.98. And we have a 10 off of 2 and a coupon code that you could use with this product. So there's a whole host of different colors, so you might want to look through them. But when you can get lipstick for close to free, why not? This is an only for you, so hopefully you have the same one as I. It's a 10 off of 2. And then you're going to use a coupon code I'll show you in a second. We're also going to grab one of these Aveeno bars of soap for $3.99. And we also have a $3 digital attaching to said product. And here it is. Again, it's an only for you. But if you do a lot of similar deals as I, you probably have all the same digital coupons. And then we're going to grab one of these Olay lotions for $11.49. And there's a $6 digital that only for you appeared, and I was like, wow, this is really generous for this product. If you know, you know, this is a very good product. And the final item we're going to grab is one of these Maybelline baby lips for $5.99. And we have a $2 digital that's attaching, so you'll make sure that you have this friend loaded. Now, just to show you the chorus line of how everything is coming off, here it is. And you're going to use the code GLAM4 for $4 off of the L'Oreal lipsticks. It's a lot better than using WAG10, but look at that gorgeous chorus line. And you can't stack WAG10 and GLAM4. I did try it and nope. So just to show you, the overall subtotal is $36.45 $4 melting off with that promo code, free curbside pickup, tax, $21 in digitals melting off for you. So the total here is $13.40. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $3.40 for this gorgeous basket of beauty and magic and skincare and everything that we love. Okay, now we're going to look at deal number 3. This one, we are going to be grabbing one of these Swiffer kits. So it's a 2-in-1 dry and wet mop, blah, 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 for $14.49. Some savings right there. And then we have this $5 digital that's attaching to that kit. So, I mean, if you wanted to get one of these or, you wanted to have one for your stockpile, it's really great. And then we're going to throw in 2 of these toilet papers for $1.58. And you're going to figure out the method to my madness here in a second. $5 coming off and the code WAG10 for an extra $1.11. So some savings right there. The overall total for this basket is $16.07, $1.11 with WAG10, $5 digital melting off for the Swiffer. So $10.86. If you wish to use $10 in Walgreens cash, if you have it, go for it and pay 86 cents and call this a very smart basket. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is deal number 4. And for this one, we're going to be grabbing one of these Garnier micellar waters for $14.99. But we have $7 in digitals coming off of this product. Man, that seems really expensive, but it's a larger bottle. So I hope it's okay. And we have this 4 off of 1. And then we have a $3 off store coupon. And hopefully you have the same one as I. But it's makeup remover, and if this is your thing, by all means, stock up. Because a lot of us really enjoy it, especially for eye makeup. And then just to round out the basket, I threw in one of these Cascade Platinum Plus. Do you like Cascade or Finish? I kind of prefer Cascade myself. And we're going to load our best friend, which is the $2.50 off of 1. Alternatively, if you wanted to go with the Power Wash, you could sub it out. So $2.50 for the Cascade, 4 and 4, and the code WAG10 subtracting another $1.10 off. So definitely worth doing this curbside for extra savings. The overall total is $20.48. $4.10 coming off right there, and 98 cents in tax, and $6.50 in digitals melting off. So the total here is $10.86. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash in your account, use it and pay 86 cents for 1 micellar water and a bag of the Cascade pods. Okay, the final deal that we have is deal number 4. And for this deal, we are going to be grabbing 2 of these Userin Repair Body Lotions for $31.98. Now, if you see this, there's a ton of different promotions all happening at once, including a spend 20, get back 10, and then a 10 off of 20. So if you type in the code Userin, $10 will come off your $20 purchase. But we're buying 30, so we're going to get both. A $10 off plus $10 for buying $20 of this product. You can't stack it with WAG10 because it'll take Userin off. So just to show you, it's $31.98. The code is taking $10 off, but our subtotal is still $21.98. Free curbside pickup and tax. For this one, because the promotion is to spend 20, get back 10, you got to pay with your debit card for the balance, so $23.30, and then you're getting back 10 buckos in Walgreens cash, so it's a little bit of something. So it shakes it out to like $13 and some change for 2 of them. The larger bottles of Userin. We are in the dead of winter, and if you have skin that's struggling, you might want to stock up on this one product. That's it for this video. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.